What's up, guys? Filming a vlog today. I don't really do this too often, but I figured it's a goddamn perfect day out today. I mean, not a single cloud in the sky. Freaking gorgeous. And we're gonna go riding today. So, should be a pretty fun day. And I forgot my charger already. Just pulled up to Mike's work. Look at this guy. Yo!
Hurt yourself.
I won't. See you later, bud.
Later, man.
I'm about to have to wait in this fat ass line. Oh my god. 45 minutes later, finally made it out of the store. So my pickup order wasn't ready yet. So I just decided to cancel the order and go grab the mounts myself because I don't have time to waste today. It's already like 3 o'clock and I only have until like 7 to ride. So it only leaves me with like 4 hours now. I still gotta ride out to Mike's house, pick up the bike, and then I gotta go to the gas station to fill up, and then I'll be able to ride. But finally made it out of Walmart. All right, so I'm about to ride. This is what we're riding today. My buddy's 2019 Yamaha XT250. So it's like a regular 250 with a tiny bit less power, but he did put a bigger sprocket on the back. So she wheelies. And it has a little bit more power. So it should be pretty fun. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro here in a sec. All right, we're rolling. Finally. All right, so this is the first riding spot of the day. It's a cool little preserve that I found the other day when I was riding last week by myself. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of leaves though, and the problem is I have a street slick on the back. Well, it's like a dual sport street slick, but it's whatever. So, all right, let's get to riding. Yo! No fucking way.
That's good, bro. I knew it was you.
Yeah.
I knew it was you.
Dude, I'm out here like every day.
True. I want to ride so bad. I want to.
I just went swimming at the quarry. Now I'm about to go ride some more trails, I think. I don't really know where I'm gonna ride, but I'll figure it out. So I just went swimming at the quarry. Now I'm about to do this little track, like, it's not even really a track, it's just like, just some jumps and a tiny set of whoops, and there is a rut down there. It's a really deep rut though, and I can't really ride it because of this back tire. But yeah, let's do it. Fallen soldier. How does this go on? Ah, holy shit. Well, so I was just riding on this little track that my buddy built over here, and I went to pop the clutch coming out of the rut, and somehow on the front sprocket the chain like bunched up. That's what it looks like. I can't tell though right now. I'm gonna have to check it out with the camera. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, how did that happen? What? I gotta take off the clutch guard. Hopefully he has. There might be a tool bag. What a ride this has turned into, huh? So the chain is stuck. I can't get it. I don't have any tools with me, so I can't get to it. So my buddy Mike, it's his bike. He's gonna come out here and just take off that the sprocket cover, and then I'll be able to get the chain off. But until then, I'm just gonna sit here and relax, I guess. I don't really know what else to do. All right, guys. So I met like the nicest family ever, and they helped me out. That's Mike. It's his bike. You love me. I ride this thing like it fucking should.
Ride it like you stole it, which is a fucking problem.
Dude, you gotta ride a bike like you stole it. Didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Easy.
I've been doing this all day.
You're gonna kill me.
I'm not. You just gotta trust my riding abilities.
I can't. Is that your shit?
I smell marijuana. I smell lots of marijuanas. No, that's not my shit.
Nice.
So we sending the big jump?
I'm not sending a big jump.
So I'm filming on the GoPro now because my phone died, but at the beginning of the day, it was a really good day. A couple hours earlier, had that issue with the chain, but fixed it, thank God. It's a really nice family. I was like parked right out in front of their house, and luckily they came out, they helped me, they let me in their house to wash my hands because I had oil all over them. Just really nice people, offered me a drink. But now I'm back at the quarry after getting the bike fixed, and about to send this big jump with the GoPro with my new buddies that I just made, so should be pretty lit. All right, see ya. All right, I'm at the top of the quarry. This dude's here. Pretty good jump. We got an audience over there. Alright, I'm going. Sorry, there's no one in my way. Alright. Yes. Battery's about to die. This one's. Watch, he thinks I'm Mike, but I'm not Mike. Watch this. He's gonna bite my feet. There he goes. Now he knows it's me.